viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Vipin Bhardwaj with us from Solex Power. A very warm welcome to EQ.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Sir, can you just let us know about Solex Power, like how it came into the solar industry, and it's been how much long time that you are serving in the solar industry itself?
Yeah. So myself, Vipin Bhardwaj. I am heading the business in India for Solex Power. And Solex Power, we founded in 2012, and we almost completed 12 years in the industry. We are having presence across more than 100 countries with 6 subsidiaries and presence across the segment of the industry, be it residential, commercial and industrial and utility as well, because we launched 350 kilowatt in this REI, and as well as we are having our system solutions in hybrid inverters. Yeah.
So as you said, like you have recently launched in this area, so can you just elaborate more about its technology and features?
Yeah, we have launched a few lines of product in this REI. One of them is a utility scale inverter that is 350 kilowatt, and it comes with multiple MPPTs and having almost all the latest advanced feature. Along with that, we have launched our micro inverters, right? That is a hot demand of the market with 2-in-1 out and 4-in-1 out. And along with that, we have launched our hybrid inverters in LV segment that is compatible with lead acid batteries as well as lithium-ion batteries. Right. So this is complete range 5 or 6 product we have launched in this REI.
That's great, sir. And if we talk about its distribution plan, so what are your strategies and target for 2025?
Yeah. So because we are seeing a very great response from the market for our brand and the products, right? So we are having a huge expectations for 2025, right? In when we talk about the distribution part, we already have very strong partners with us across India, right? We are having 5 partners as a distributor for us, right? And they are covering complete pan India. Coming to the 25, we are going to be more aggressive to the utility part and C&I industry. Yeah.
That's great, sir. All the best. Wish you all the luck for your coming years. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, EQT.